Now, if there's one coin that everyone's been talking about, it is none other than XRP, aka Ripple. Now, people got super excited because of this crazy move to the upside. I mean, we are looking at a good 36% from the bottom. Now, I know you're probably thinking that, hey, that's not much. 36% is not much. I know some of the meme coins that are doing more. You're right. But the thing is that when Ripple pumps, I'll tell you why Ripple gets all the excitement, is that when it pumps, it happens really fast. I'm talking about in 1 hour, it's just up like 36%. And it's that sort of volatility that gets everyone super excited. Now, while everyone's so excited about this most recent pump, let me tell you what everyone else is missing on the bigger bullish picture. If you get into the weekly time frame, zoom out of XRP's chart, you're gonna see the biggest symmetrical triangle formation actually playing out. And it is clear that this symmetrical triangle has been in the making for the past few cycles now, since 2018. And what's very important is that we are coming to a bit of a climax right here, with price being so close to the apex. Every time price gets so close to that symmetrical triangle apex, it is ready for the next volatile breakout. Now, the next question is in which direction, right? Do we see the breakout to the upside, or do we see the breakout to the downside? Now, probabilistically, let's assume that Bitcoin actually does continue its bull run. And right now, it's looking like it wants to reclaim some levels. If Bitcoin starts rallying once again, I'm saying crypto is still in a bull market, which means XRP is also in that bucket of other cryptocurrencies. And through that lens alone, probabilistically, this actually breaks to the upside. Now, if I have to go ahead and take the measured move of this beautiful symmetrical triangle, plot it on the break, we're looking at a good $23 per XRP. All right, so $23 is a big target. I know. But if I really have to put a point through for a $23 target for XRP, I think that this cycle right here, all the FUD that we had in the previous cycles, and this one right here, and this one right here, all the FUD has now been cleared. This is the first cycle where all of XRP's FUD luggage has been cleared. So if there's any cycle where we actually could see higher targets that actually take out those previous highs at around 350, it would be this cycle. So yeah, as far as targets are concerned, $23 is possible, but remember the 3 Ps: possible, plausible, and probable. As far as the probability is concerned, you're better off taking it one step at a time. First target we're going to be looking at is 180, which is the previous cycle high, and then the second one would be 350, which was the cycle high before that. And what you need to understand is that still, even if prices get up there, you're still looking at a good 460% on that trade alone. But now question is, do you catch the trade right here? Well, I have had tremendous success just playing XRP off of, honestly, support and resistance. And if I have to go ahead and identify the current zone of oscillation, I'm saying this is the current zone of oscillation, from around 59 cents going all the way down to 42 cents. And you can see that right now, price is currently hovering slightly over 59 cents. We are threatening to take that out, but once again, you want to see a bit of confirmation. Now, there's one more thing playing out here that could allude to price actually wanting to reclaim 59 cents in earnest this time around, which is this. We have a bit of a falling channel-like formation that's playing out at the very end, at the very apex of that massive symmetrical triangle-like formation. I say as soon as we start taking these highs out right here, that is going to give us a confirmation on the falling channel actually breaking to the upside. For those of you who want to take note of this number, it comes in at around 67 cents. All right, so if we start actually taking out 67 cents to the upside, I say, okay, this falling wedge has triggered to the upside, and at which point we'd also be threatening to break out of that multi-cycle symmetrical triangle formation. All right, so there's a lot going on XRP's chart. It can be rewarding, but it can also be very risky given the volatility. So my tip is that if you are looking to catch a bid on XRP, get greedy. Okay, get greedy on the bids. Now, I, for one, I'm going to be looking towards the bid opportunity at the mango ribbon right here. We have the 55 EMA swinging in right through. We have the 21 EMA. We have the 200 exponential moving average and the 10 simple moving average all jammed in at the zone right here from around 54 cents going all the way down to 52 cents. And to give it a bit more confluence, if I go ahead and turn on the mango lifeline indicator on the weekly time frame, guys, the buy opportunities on the lifeline indicator are also coming in at around 52 cents. Smack smack at that entire cluster of EMAs and MAs right there. I've gone ahead and turned on the bullish/bearish bias on the Lifeline indicator, and you can see that all these candles right now, the most recent candles, they're all green, which is telling us that, okay, the bias right now is bullish. If it was red, it was bearish, right? Bias is bullish, telling us to look for bull trades, all right, and it's giving us the buy opportunities, and right now the buy opportunities are in line with our cluster. However, the invalidation only comes in at around 38 cents. So you got to give your positions, guys, breathing room until 38 cents. All right, you should not be getting liquidated or stopped out in this range. That is what your invalidation is telling you. All right, that's why the Lifeline can be very, very powerful, because it also helps you understand when are you wrong on your trade. So you get the bid, you get the target, and you get your invalidation. All right, so you got to give yourself that much breathing room. But right now, I say get greedy on the bid. This should be your opportunity right here. In fact, even the Mango Dashboard call on XRP is telling you guys to get greedy on your bid, because while the trend is telling us that, okay, XRP is bullish, notice the volatility at 92. Every time you see volatility expand, guys, it's telling you that the bulls might be getting exhausted, and this is a good time to be looking for a pullback opportunity on the chart, aka a better bid. Things only start getting bullish in earnest once we start taking out this falling channel to the upside, retest, and then break out of the much larger symmetrical triangle formation, at which point the party starts for XRP. And of course, I will be giving you guys more updates. If you guys want to stay tuned for that, make sure you're hitting the sub and the bell icon. That way you do not miss the next XRP update. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.